These Nilight all-weather floor mats are precisely molded to match the floor contours of compatible Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra crew cab trucks, so they stay put without awkward gaps or bunching. The heavy-duty thermoplastic elastomer material feels thick and resilient underfoot, giving long-term protection that outlasts typical carpet or thin rubber mats in work truck use. High side walls and full coverage channels help trap muddy boots, melting snow, and spilled drinks, keeping the factory carpet underneath clean and dry. The textured surface and raised patterns provide solid traction, so your feet do not slip when getting in with wet shoes or work boots. Cleaning is simple because dirt and grime rinse off quickly with a garden hose or a bit of soap and water, and the mats do not absorb stains or odors. Included attachment points line up with the factory anchors, which makes installation straightforward and prevents the mats from sliding forward under the pedals.